Welcome to today's video. I have convinced James to do my makeup but actually follow a tutorial. This was a huge trend that was going around a while back where YouTubers, beauty YouTubers were following other people's tutorials, and I loved watching those, and I never got to do one. Like, I just never got around to it. And then I had this brilliant idea that I would drag James on my channel and that he would actually follow a tutorial because you've done my makeup before and you said a lot of cool things. You know, you had a lot of confidence. Yeah. And I loved that, but you didn't follow like a step-by-step guide. Jaclyn's going to guide you step-by-step. She's really honestly like the best for breaking things down and making anybody, even if they are a makeup beginner, know and have confidence on how to do makeup. So you're in good hands. Okay. She's like my favorite to watch for actual tutorials.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while.
So she doesn't start until...
Why don't I watch this and you take your makeup off?
You're doing my foundation too.
Okay.
But you don't have any guidance there. Just like go in my foundation drawer and pick out what you think would be good.
Really?
Yeah.
Huda Beauty, the Macaroon, or the Cashew?
What do you think? Or you can mix them.
All right.
It can be complicated. Do you think you should get a primer? There's a drawer behind you. You really don't know what I use?
You want Estee Lauder the mattifier? Do you want By Terry? Do you want Cover FX anti-aging primer? Welcome to today's exhibition. I'm going to be doing this lovely lady's makeup. She has incredible bone structure, a lot of great assets to work with.
All right, get to it. You're sounding like a Tati video. Tutorial starts at minute 5.
So we're going to start with primer. We're going to use this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Okay. Vitamin E.
I don't think we need that
It's made of shea butter, vitamin C and E.
Okay, just put it on my face.
That's what she said.
That's good enough. That's really enough now.
Am I beating your face?
It smells nice.
Okay, so we got to get under the chin.
No,
so we can be careful of the demarcation line.
This doesn't have any color in it. Oh my god, I feel like you just put a face mask on me. There is so much on my skin. All right, have fun with that foundation. Oh, you're gonna go straight for it. Wow. Do your thing. There's no tutorial. This part is not Jaclyn Hill's fault, okay? This is just, you are
I'm gonna go off the back of the hand.
Oh. Do you know what would have blended this better? A Clarisonic. I think the code is still active.
Now it's time for some Tarte Shape Tape. We're gonna do triangle.
Oh dear Lord, that's a lot. I can feel it. It's wet. It's nasty.
You doing the alien face?
Uh-huh. Hey, you watch some of my videos.
Oh no, I gotta get the corner of your eye here. Close your eye.
Mm-hmm. Are you really trying?
Yes.
Do you think it looks nice?
I think all things considered, I'm doing a pretty good job.
So for today's video, I really want to focus on just the eyes, since using my palette is the most requested thing right now. I thought that I would really give you guys like an in-depth eye look tutorial, and that's why I just did my brows and my foundation off camera, and I'll do the eyes, and I'll do the cheeks, and I'll do the lips on camera. So my eyes are already primed, so make sure that you do that. There's an absolute...
I need an eye primer.
Oh, these pants are killing me. Just, I think everybody's level of extra comes out when they enter this room. Okay.
So we're using the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. So I'm just gonna put it on my fingers here. I'm gonna tap, 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 tap.
Must when it comes to your eye makeup. If you don't prime your eyes, you're not gonna have the outcome that you really desire. I'm gonna start off by taking the third color in the palette, which is the shade Silk Cream. This is the Morphe R37, but it does not matter if it's Morphe, if it's MAC, if it's whoever in the world. I would just suggest going in with a natural hair brush.
So Jaclyn is going to use this one right here. I'm going to buff in the transition area. Why are you laughing at me?
Oh my god. Maybe you should watch what she's doing too.
Transition area, I am referring to this area right here between the lid and the brow bone. So lid, brow bone, and this is transition area right in between those two. So I'm just blending this back and forth. I always start off with windshield wiper motions, just like this.
Windshield wiper motions.
Windshield wiper motions.
I'm sorry, Jaclyn.
You're going to be beautiful. Don't worry about a thing.
All right, now I'm going to grab the shade Butter in the palette. And this one definitely has...
Do I need a new brush?
Very warm
yeah, let's grab this brush.
You just want to make sure you blend it out because it will make everything just be seamless at the end.
I think this was better.
Yeah, this one right here.
This one's better.
Okay, I think you picked up a lot.
And I just want to go
You know, this is one of my favorite palettes of all
back and
time.
forth.
She started on the outer edge.
Well, it's too late for that now, isn't it? I'm doing
No.
exactly what she's doing.
Ah!
Take the shade in the center of the palette, which is a super, super warm baby pukey brown, and it is called Pukey for obvious reasons. Still using the exact same brush, by the way, that
Same
I
brush.
initially started off with, and I'm on my third color. So I'm gonna now at
Yes,
this
we're
point
building.
bring it just a little bit lower in that transition area. As before, I was blending it.
Okay,
So
so
try
we're going
to
to
try to go
a little
lower.
bit lower.
I actually really like blending all these colors together. I've done this look. It's nice.
Higher up. Now I'm going to be keeping it really nice and precise, which is why I love this brush, because it does have like that tapered tip.
She just
so it allows me to
windshield
get like,
wiper
a little
thing.
bit tighter.
You're like poking my eyeball.
Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to grab some of the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, which is just an amazing translucent powder. And when I first showed you guys this, I legit thought that I created this. I was like, I created this technique. Like, I discovered this. Like, thank you. Where's my award? And then thousands of people were like, you're an idiot, and this has been done.
And you got it in my eye. Okay, you tried.
And so now I'll go back in with that brush, and I'll just kind of blend it to that translucent powder. And it will just catch any of the excess and just create the shape that I want. All right, now I'm going to take the shade Buns right here and the shade Mocha right here. I'm going to mix those two together. You can go in with just one or the other, but I don't know why I just mix these two shades all the time. I'm going to take a little swirl of each and then tap off the excess. And so everything before has been more in the transition area and like lower crease. Now this is actually going on the lid itself, just only in the outer corner. And that's kind of how I initially place the color down, and then I start to move it around in little tiny circular motions. All right, I'm gonna grab the shade Huda right here. Every single time I say that name.
I look nothing like Jaclyn Hill.
So it's time for some Huda.
It's called Pooter.
Oh, Pooter. Okay.
She did not name an eyeshadow. Pooter.
Okay, so just windshield wiper, blend,
Wait.
blend.
Are you gonna take me to lunch after?
Baby, I'll take you anywhere.
I know you always say that, but then,
I'll walk you down the middle of the county fair.
oh my goodness.
Now I'm gonna grab a little itsy bitsy tiny blending brush.
Is that a tiny blending
Yeah,
brush?
that'll work.
So I'm gonna grab some Central Perk right here, which is the darkest,
Oh my
deepest
God.
brown in the palette. And I'm just gonna put that in the very, very outer corner.
That is
And I just
a
build
lot
this
of
really
product.
slow. I'm gonna go in with some in Light, which is the very first shade in the palette, on just a stiff synthetic brush. This is the MAC.
Ooh, I have that one right there. Boom.
Okay, so we're gonna take this MAC 242 and we're just gonna load it up with some product.
Inner corner of my eye. I'm obsessed with highlighting my inner corner with this shade. It is my go-to, like no matter what color I am, like how dark I am, how light I am. I just love in Light so much for highlighting purposes.
Do you like a glowy inner corner?
I do. I like it especially when you put some glitter there.
Oh, you like the glitter.
Yeah.
You're really confusing because you also tell me that you like natural makeup. I'm just really confused.
I like both.
I'm gonna grab some of the Kat Von D, the first color in her
I need the Kat Von D palette.
Shade and Light palette. I'm going to just put that right over top.
Oh yeah, this is really pretty. This is laying down real nicely.
Away that translucent powder, and you'll. All right, so now for the lower lash line.
Isn't her eye makeup so pretty?
Yes.
On a pencil brush, any pencil brush.
Unlike
will
mine.
do.
We're gonna go back in the lower lash line with
We've been here for a very long time.
Pooty.
What's it? Oh my god. It's Pooter. James.
Pooter pie. I'm just cleaning up. a
Please be
mistake.
gentle with my delicate under eye skin. I don't want some wrinkles. Oh wow. We're a lot. What's going on under there?
Yeah. It's okay, baby.
Almost all the way to the inner corner.
It'll be over soon.
I think we should just give up at this point.
No, I'm gonna finish this tutorial. I need some mocha.
Can I give you some constructive criticism? Because this is a beautiful palette and the colors blend so gorgeous. Like, I love this palette. It's one of my very, very, very favorites. But you don't need a lot. I think that you're just like, you're kind of being a hog with the shadows.
My experience in the past when I did your makeup was I would put a brush into a pan and I would try to get some color and I'd come and there'd be no color on your face. I'd see nothing happen. So yeah, I might have had too heavy of a hand. I'm sorry. Come here.
It's lunchtime.
Open your eyes.
I keep glancing at myself in the monitor and this is actually not how I thought it would turn out, to be honest.
Okay.
Okay?
I gotta blend.
Ow! You poke my eye out. This turned into a Halloween tutorial
Now,
really
I'm
quick.
gonna grab the black shade in the palette right
Oh,
now.
black.
This.
My favorite color. You know what this reminds me of?
Huh.
You ever see that movie Blade Runner?
Nope, can't say.
Do no liner. You could do a wing liner. You could just do liner straight across the lid. So now for my lashes, I'm going to be using the Blinking Beauty Silk Lashes in
Lashes.
style Bombasque. And
Blinking Beauty lashes. Do you think I put enough? Mm-hmm. Needs a little bit more. Oh wait, let's do the trick you do. I'll use.
No, please don't. How about just use your fingers? I like my vision. I heard a story one time about a girl who was putting on lashes and there was an earthquake that happened and she like stabbed the tweezer into her eye, and I always think about that whenever I put on lashes.
Sorry, come back down.
Are you flexing while you're doing that? Stop that.
I worked out today. It's hard to not do that.
like, come on. Look at that lash. Yes, I love this. It's like my new favorite
I'm
lash
fixing
right
this.
now.
I have to fix this. I have to fix this. We're gonna do some lipstick now and go eat
that right
lunch.
in.
I need this to be over. This is like not even funny anymore.
Be still.
Stop. This looks like some messed up shit you find on the dark web. And you touch me. I'm like crying.
You asked for it.
I did.
Okay, so now I'm going to be moving on to the face. And the first thing I'm going to do is bronze. I'm going to be using the La Mer
Bronze.
bronzing powder in the shade, the most expensive, overpriced bronzer in the world.
Do you have your La Mer bronzer?
I don't know. I think one of my sisters took it. But I have Sisley bronzer.
Sometimes makeup brushes just don't pick up enough product.
I'm going to take this middle contour shade right here and kind of a stiffer dome brush. This is the Morphe E3.
Oh dear Lord.
I'm going to grab a little bit more of that Cover FX Perfecting powder, and I am going to just slightly bake, if you will.
There we go.
You ready for that? You're gonna contour my nose?
Yeah.
Do you like it when I contour my nose?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
I remember back when you started contouring your nose on YouTube, everyone started saying that you had gotten a nose job.
Real cute. You know what?
I
I'm
did.
gonna go ahead
I've
and
never
curl
had a
my
nose
hairline
job.
right now because I can't take it for one more second.
The
Everyone
power
does their
of
hairline
makeup.
differently. I personally just use a brush like
Yeah.
this. It's just a synthetic
You did
hair
almost
brush.
a good
It's
job.
Morphe
Come here.
M5.
Please. I will never have you on my channel again. It's fine.
I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever blush right here in the shade
Blush.
B.
D.
So these are called the Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. So I have been really excited about these. I'm gonna use the middle shade, the yellow one, and then this darker one, I believe.
So we're going to use this one.
Alright, so now for my lips, I have been asked so much the past week what lip combination I have been wearing, and it has been several different things. I was wearing this combination right here, which is Lolita by Kat Von D with bow and arrow over top.
This has a nice doe foot applicator. Really makes putting it on easy. And I have this trick that I do where I overdraw the lips just a little bit.
Oh, you have tricks?
Yeah, it makes them look more plump.
Oh, okay.
Now, the one thing that you never want to skip when doing lips, go like this, go.
I'm not doing that.
Go like that. Stop. You don't want to miss the corners. You got to get the corners of your, right there.
Like
Like, this
lip
is gorgeous
combination
makeup.
is just perfect in my eyes, like perfect. I'm just gonna grab some setting spray and just set my.
This feels really good, actually. So this is the completed look, you guys. And really, I just wanted to have James on my channel and have fun filming a video and kind of break it up a little bit because we love it when James is here.
You know what?
Everybody loves you. I love it when I have someone to film with and it's not as lonely, you know?
I think I did a better job this time than last.
I will link the last video below and you guys can compare and tell me if his skills have improved and if Jaclyn guided him through a tutorial better than no tutorial at all.
I wish that I'd had a foundation part of it.
You didn't, the foundation's actually not that bad.
Really?
Yeah. The eyes are interesting. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm also gonna link Jaclyn's video down below as well. And if you have not tried out her Morphe palette, I promise you, you can achieve a beautiful look that is not, no offense, not like this. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. And we both love Jaclyn. So yeah, we wanted to, well, you wanted to follow her tutorial.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm sorry that this happened though. You should apologize too.
I'm sorry, everyone.
All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button and I will see you with better makeup in tomorrow's video. Mwah.